Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best mini sewing machines for home that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Handheld handheld sewing machine. This compact and travel-friendly device is designed to simplify quick fixes and basic stitching. Its standout feature is its 2 fixed speed modes, giving you the option to switch between fast and slow stitching depending on your project's requirements. It's lightweight, just 8 ounces, and ergonomically shaped for one-handed operation, making it perfect for beginners or anyone who needs a no-fuss sewing solution. The included starter kit ensures you can get started right away, with threading needles, bobbins, and practice fabric included. The build quality is decent for a handheld model, and the device can handle a variety of fabrics, from delicate silks to heavier materials like jeans. The dual power options, 4 AA batteries or USB, offer flexibility for use at home or on the go. However, being a monofilament machine, the thread has to be manually tied off, which could be a minor inconvenience for some users. It's great for quick repairs, hemming, or light crafting, but it's not suited for heavy-duty projects. While the Handheld is an affordable, beginner-friendly option, its limited stitch variety and manual threading may not appeal to more advanced users. Nonetheless, it's a handy tool for quick fixes and a thoughtful gift for craft enthusiasts. Pros include its portability and ease of use, while cons are its limited functionality and lack of versatility for more complex tasks. Coming in at number 4, we have the handheld sewing machine. This model is ideal for those who prefer the convenience of handheld sewing, but want a bit more power and precision. It features a dual speed system capable of up to 375 stitches per minute, allowing users to switch between fast stitching for straight seams and slower speeds for detailed work. Its one-button operation makes it exceptionally user-friendly, and the ability to sew directly on garments adds to its versatility. The Handheld stands out for its fabric compatibility, capable of handling materials up to 1.5 millimeters thick, including silk, denim, and wool. The dual power options, 4 AA batteries for portability or USB for home use, enhance its flexibility. The design is lightweight and compact, perfect for travel or small spaces. The included 1-year warranty and starter accessories like bobbins and threading needles make it a safe and well-rounded investment for beginners. However, as with most handheld models, it's not designed for large or complex projects. While it offers impressive speed and precision for its size, it lacks the stitch variety of more traditional machines. Pros include its portability, ease of use, and fabric versatility, while cons are its limited functionality and small work area. If you need a quick, reliable option for on-the-go fixes, this is a solid choice. At number 3, we have the Power Helper mini sewing machine, and this one is perfect for beginners and even kids. It's designed with eco-friendly materials, making it durable and safe for younger users. The dual speed control offers flexibility for both quick repairs and more detailed work. What sets this machine apart is its extension table, which provides more stability and space for larger projects, something you don't often find in many sewing machines. This machine's user-friendly design includes a built-in light and thread cutter, which are handy features for precision sewing. It's lightweight and compact, making it easy to store or transport. The Power Helper is also beginner-friendly, with clear threading instructions and video tutorials to help you get started. The included accessories and cute packaging make it a great gift option, especially for aspiring sewers. While it's a great machine for small projects and learning the basics, it may not be the best choice for heavy-duty use due to its lightweight build. Pros include its extension table, eco-friendly material, and beginner-friendly design. Cons are its limited stitch variety and lower power compared to larger machines. This is a fantastic option for anyone just starting their sewing journey. Coming in at number 2 is the RX Mealy Portable Mini Sewing Machine. This electric model offers 12 built-in stitches, including options for straight seams, patterns, and reverse stitching, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced users. The dual speed control and foot pedal provide precision and control, while the built-in light ensures visibility for detailed work. A storage drawer adds convenience, keeping your accessories close at hand. The RX Mealy's design is compact yet sturdy, weighing in at just under 5 pounds. Its threading guide and instructional video make setup straightforward, even for beginners. The machine supports dual power modes, 4 AA batteries for portability, or an AC adapter for home use. But be cautious not to use both simultaneously to avoid damaging the motor. It's perfect for household sewing tasks like hemming, crafting, and simple garment alterations. While it's a versatile and reliable machine, the RX Mealy may struggle with thicker fabrics or heavy-duty projects. Pros include its stitch variety, user-friendly design, and portability. Cons are its limited power and potential motor issues if the power modes are misused. Overall, this is a fantastic mid-range option for home sewing enthusiasts. Finally, at number 1, we have the Wattmix Home Mini Sewing Machine. This is the most well-rounded option on our list, offering 12 built-in stitches, reverse sewing, and dual-speed control. The standout feature here is the 27-piece accessory kit, which includes everything from bobbins to a needle threader, perfect for both beginners and experienced sewers. The dual power options and 2 switch modes, foot pedal and button, add to its versatility. The Wattmix is compact but durable, making it suitable for a wide range of projects, from home decor to crafting and garment alterations. Its preset stitch patterns simplify the learning curve, allowing beginners to tackle more complex designs with ease. The portability of this machine, combined with its user-friendly features, makes it a fantastic all-in-one solution for home sewing needs. While it's a top-tier mini sewing machine, it's worth noting that incorrect operation can lead to needle jams. However, with proper use, the Wattmix delivers excellent performance and value. Pros include its extensive accessory kit, stitch variety, and versatility. Cons are the potential for jams with improper use. Overall, this is the best choice for anyone looking for a reliable and feature-rich mini sewing machine. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.